Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and going straight to the listing or message thread that contains the offer. Once there, confirm whether you are the buyer or seller and verify the offer amount, expiration time, and payment method. Do this now. It determines which cancel path you use. If you are a seller, look for the Manage Offers link on the listing. If you are a buyer, open the Messages tab. Make sure to keep screenshots in case you need proof. Once you choose the correct role, act on the explicit cancel controls shown. As a seller, click Manage Offers, then choose Decline or Cancel and enter a brief reason. This updates the offer status immediately. As a buyer, open Offer Details and choose Withdraw Offer, then confirm. Don't navigate away until you see confirmation. If payment was authorized, follow eBay prompts to cancel the transaction and refund any hold. Finish by verifying the offer status in My eBay. Make sure it says withdrawn, canceled, or declined. Once confirmed, send a short message to the other party explaining the change and attach your screenshot for clarity. If the platform doesn't update or payment remains held, use the Resolution Center to file a cancellation request and include timestamps, screenshots, and any transaction ID. Following this prevents disputes, if needed. Escalate to customer support with your documentation for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.